Good afternoon, everyone. This is Knowledge Management Portal Project for Joint Typhoon Warning Center. I'm Hong Yang. It's my turn to do the presentation report for Status Update 2. This group project made by Yang, Joshua, Justin, and Ramesh. Joshua already do the presentation for these slides. I want to do the quick review and continue my updates later. So the Joint Typhoon Warning Center contains two parts, operation and support. Operation include typhoon forecasting, tsunami warning, and techniques development. Support include administration, supply, information technology, training. From our original scenario, we have 52 personnel, 38 work on operations, and 14 work on support, which are all include military and civilian personnel. So our team, we are 4 working on administration. So look at us, look at our mission task and function here. So we are the work on the administration, so our job is to control and direction of the commander. Common area. All members of GTWC use NMCI workstation. All members use Outlook, MS Office, and Internet browse. All users have issues with those items at some point during their tour. Complaints. Web hosting free unlimited web hosting, PHP, MariaDB database. Here is the administration. After Joshua creates the website, the rest will be easier for us. We just add more content for this website. This is the function for the administration. They all added category and new FAQ, added existing FAQs, and so on. So let me look on and do the demonstration. This is the link for our website. Let me copy and paste here. So if you go through this link, this is the website, this is the page you see. So if you have any questions related Joint Typhoon Warning Center or Office Internet, any questions, you can type in the keyword for it. If you can find the answer, that's really good. If you don't, it's still easy. Let me give you an example. Looking for answer first. Just like if you want look for some GTWC relate. GTW. So here is pop up some questions with the GTWC. And click it. So you can see the questions and answers. Even you will see the author who posted this question and answer. But if you cannot find the answers here, it's still easy. We have customer service. You can call us. If nobody answers your phone call, you want to do something on website here, add the questions. If you click on the questions, it will pop up this website, this page. So it will ask your name, email, and questions. Then you can fill this blank. Click on the submit. Then it will go through us. Then if everything is good to go, I will publish your questions and answers. If you don't want to add your name and personal or some personal information, it's okay. Still just click, fill the questions portion. That's the same thing. Okay, let me look on my account. My name, my account name, HYNG5, password here. You see, already look on. Let me do the administration part. the content, and a new FAQ. So the questions, just like give a simple example. What does it enter? After fill the answers, they click this here, check the category. The category belongs to the Joint Typhoon Warning Center. The language is English. If your answer is too much, you cannot fill that you don't is there is not live space. You can add some new attachment. Keywords normally put the GTWC and joint something. Any keywords you want to put that. And here, date normally we choose the update. The standards just make sure put the published. Otherwise, the visitors cannot see the question and author. The permission just make sure you choose the access for all users. Otherwise, if you choose this here, it's only restricted to the administrators, the 4 of us. So click it, change to here. Here is good. After you fill all these blanks, that's okay. Just click the save. After you click the save, then log out. You can check the question and answers. Okay, it's logged on now. You see, it's the original page, the video page. And check the TTWC. Okay. Questions here. Same thing. If you find something wrong, you can click the so if you found something is wrong, just like here, you can edit existing FAQs. So from here is the Joint Typhoon Warning Center is for the categories. Click here. That's the what just post. If here's something wrong, just click it. Then you can edit it again. You see, same to here. After you edit from this website, you can see so from this dashboard, now you can see all the how many visitors visit our website today, how many articles did we publish today, or how many open questions. You can all collect those all data. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, just leave on the blackboard. Thank you.